Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. I am Chioma, and in today's recipe I will show you how to make a very delicious and mouth-watering pasta. And please watch till the end because I will show you the secret of achieving the tastiest pasta in this video. But before then, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please kindly do me a favor by hitting that red place that says subscribe. It's free of charge, okay? Just kindly hit there and subscribe to join me, and also turn on the notification bell that is beside it after subscribing. This way you get notified each time I upload a new video. So now let's get started. Okay, to prepare this macaroni, here I have the macaroni that I will be using. I have 3 carrots, 1 onion, black pepper, thyme. I have salt and seasoning cube, tomato paste, and here is the beef that I will be using for this, olive oil, and lastly I have red wine for cooking. Now I will cut the onion, and I want to use this opportunity to thank and welcome my new subscribers. If it is your first time here, you are highly welcome. Okay, welcome. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. You guys are the best. So I will also repeat the same process with the carrots. I will cut it this way. After that, I will keep it aside. To the meat, I will sprinkle some salt and dry pepper. I will mix it well, and after mixing it, I will add it to the flour for coating. To my clean pot, I will add my olive oil, and when the oil heats, I will transfer in the coated meat and fry for 2 minutes on each side. After 2 minutes, I will turn to the other side and also allow it to fry for another 2 minutes. And now I will take them out of the oil and I will reserve it for later use. Remember, this meat is not yet cooked. To the same pot with the same oil, I will add in the onion, I will stir fry for 1 minute. I will add in some salt, after 1 minute, I added the carrots. I will now add the tomato paste. After some minutes of frying, I will introduce back the meat to the pot. Salt to taste. And I would also add the seasoning cube. to season. And I will give it a nice mix. And I will cover and allow it to steam for 2 minutes. So after the 2 minutes, I will now go ahead and add the red wine. So let me know in the comment section if you have ever used red wine to cook before. I will stir it. Wow, this smells so amazing. Now goes in the water. I will add a little thyme. After that, I will cover and start cooking. When it starts boiling like this, I will just give it a quick and gentle stir. So now I will reduce my heat and cover and continue cooking. Okay, now our meat has been cooking for a while. I will taste for salt and seasoning and adjust if necessary. This is so delicious. Everything is perfect. So right now I will go ahead and add the pasta. As you can see, I did not parboil or pre-cook the pasta. This way our pasta will absorb all the sauce, the stock from the meat, and this will make our pasta so delicious, so yummy. Okay, very important, like the video to help the ministry, and mix to make sure they are well combined. After that, I will cover and reduce my heat and cook according to the instruction of the pasta. Mine says 9 to 11 minutes. So after the 9 minutes, here we have the pasta. It's almost done. I will mix it well. Wow, can you just take a look at this? This looks so yummy. The aroma right now in my kitchen is amazing. So our last ingredients is green peas. So I added the green peas, I stirred it, and after 2 more minutes, our pasta is done. So after the 2 minutes, our pasta is ready. And that is it for today. So if you have enjoyed today's video, let me know in the comment section, and also like this video if you have not yet, and subscribe if you have not yet joined the family. Okay, until we see you next time, bye bye. Okay, now I will be doing the testing for you guys. Okay, the first one is for you people. Wow, my goodness, this is so delicious. In fact, delicious is understatement. You need to try this recipe. If you try this pasta recipe, you will never prepare your pasta any other way. My goodness. So yummy. Woo. So yummy. I wish you guys can taste this pasta so that you will understand what I'm talking about. So yummy. Woo. Okay, see you soon. Bye bye.